In this video, I've shown you guys how you can block someone on Snapchat. It's very much simple and easy. You can do this in two different procedures. I'm going to show you one. And if you know this procedure, you can use it in the second procedure I'll be talking about later. So here, all you need to do is just select the chat like this. Move to your chat and select the person you want to block. So a long press here, you move to manage friendship, and then you move to block, and then you block it, something like that. Good. So here it's been blocked here, or you can choose to open the chat you have with the person here, tap on their profile there for it to expand, something like that. And then you tap on this three dots here, and then you follow the same procedure I showed you guys earlier. You move to manage friendship and the block, and then you block the person. So that's it. I have a video on how you can find a list of people you've blocked on your Snapchat. You can do that and check that if you want to find it too as well. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.